new class, and today we are going to learn about the new topic. I came before you with the new topic, and that is the sentence. So sentence means a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. That two things are important in these two lines. A group of words. Let's look at here on the board. A group of words and complete sense means wherever that groups came together, sometimes we write that groups of words together, and when they express the complete meaning, means we can understand the meaning of that sentence of that group together. That is called as the sentence. Another important thing is that subject and predicate. That is the very important part of the sentence. Subject and the predicate. Let's see here, because many examination they ask the find out the subject and the predicate from the sentence. So that is a very simple thing. Today I am going to explain to you what is the subject and what is the predicate also, because we are going to start means we have started today the first topic, sentence. After this sentence I will explain in next class to you the types of the sentence. So let's see, look at here. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Examples. Let's see examples. Very simple example I have wrote over here. Roses bloom in the spring. The roses bloom in the spring means that bloom, and that is the spring. That two things are important about the roses. Means roses bloom in the spring means this is the expressing the complete meaning. That all the words are together. And they expressing the complete sense. So that is why this is the sentence. My friends, there are the four kinds of the sentence are there. Among them, assertive, imperative, interrogative, and the exclamatory sentence. That topic I will be taking the next class. But if you understood today's class, then you will be able to better understand the types of the sentence. So this is very important. So let's try to understand here. And if you unable to understand, then make the comments. I will explain in another way also. Okay. So roses bloom in the spring. Who are you? Close the door. And oh, what a pity. That is the types of the sentence. I have given the explanation, because very first we are going to learn about the sentence. Sentence means the group of words together which make the sense. And roses bloom in the spring. Who are you? This is the interrogative sentence. Close the door means this sentence begin with the verb, so that is the imperative sentence. And oh, what a pity. So that sign indicate that exclamatory. So these are the examples of the sentence. Now friends, another important thing is that every sentence have the part like that, the verb, pronoun, noun, and predicate means subject and the predicate. Every sentence have the subject and it's the predicate. So let's see here, because that is very important, because whenever you are going to attend any grammar question, so that subject you should be understand. You should have to find out what is the subject is in the given sentence. So that is very important. So let's see here, what is the subject, actual subject. Subject is the subject of a sentence is noun or the pronoun equivalent about which something said. Means that in sentence the subject of the sentence is noun or the pronoun. Let's see here. Subject of a sentence is noun or the pronoun. We know about that. Noun means the name of any person or the place. That is called as the noun. Either they are the living thing, either they are the non-living thing. Table, phone, mobile, Ramesh, people, class, etc. Many examples are there. Noun. Pronoun means which word we use in the place of the noun, that is called as the pronoun. He, she, it, we, they, are, we, they, that all the pronoun. So the subject of the sentence is noun or the pronoun equivalent. Let's see here. Equivalent means they are the equivalent about which something is said. Means that subject means in which something is says that. Something is says that means in the sentence who is giving the information. That is called as the subject. Subject the something said. Something said. Who said in the sentence? That is called as the subject. Suppose you ask to the any sentence, who? Suppose you ask to the sentence who, you will get the answer who means, for example, here let's see, roses bloom in the spring. Roses bloom in the spring. You can ask the question, what bloom in the spring? Who bloom in the spring? So that gives you answer. Who means whenever we ask the question to the sentence, who means particular person that is playing the role in that sentence. Maybe it is a noun or the pronoun. So they are the equivalent as the subject. Okay. So that is the name, or maybe something or living thing or the non-living thing as a subject in the sentence. So noun or the pronoun equivalent about which something said. Okay. Predicate. The predicate is all that tell about the subject. Means that predicate means they predicate tell about the subject. Example, let's see. Andrew had a friend. In this sentence, Andrew is the actual. Suppose we ask the sentence what is the noun in the sentence, so answer is Andrew. If you ask the question to the sentence what is the subject, so that is the answer is the Andrew. I have already told you subject, noun or the pronoun equivalent of something said. So noun or the pronoun means this is the subject. Noun or the pronoun, this is also called, this is means that the subject. That Andrew had a friend. Had a friend. Andrew is the subject and had a friend. This is telling about the Andrew, means Andrew had a friend. So friend here. So that is called as the predicate in the sentence. I hope my friends you understood well. Once again, I am going to tell you that the topic sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Examples are I have written over here. Among them, very important part of the sentence is the subject, which play a very important role, which play the main role in the sentence. If you want to find out, you can ask the various questions to the sentence, then you get the answer. For example, suppose Ram. Example. Let's say example Ram write a letter. Otherwise, we can take the example of pronoun. He writes a letter. So let's see here. Suppose you want to find out the subject in the sentence. So ask the question. Very first, read sentence carefully. He writes a letter. So ask the question to the given sentence. Who writes a letter? Who writes a letter? So you will get who write, he write. So this is the subject or subject. Actually, this is the pronoun, but noun or the pronoun, they are the equivalent as the subject. So we every time we suppose that noun or the pronoun is the subject in the sentence. So this is the subject in the sentence. So we have to ask question by the who. Okay. Next is the predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence that is tell about the subject. In example, for example, he writes a letter. In example, he is the subject. Then remaining all the part is the predicate. Okay. So I hope my friends you understood well. Again, we will be see in the next class with the new topic, and which is entirely depend on this topic, because this is the sentence. Sentence have the 4 types that I will already examples I written over there. Let's see here. You can 1, 2, 3, and 4. That are the 4 types of the sentence are here. So that types of the sentence in next class means tomorrow.